How to build muscle mass at home. You don't need a huge expensive home gym to get in shape. In fact, you don't even need any equipment. With this basic circuit workout, you can burn calories and develop muscle at home. This at-home workout is built in the form of a circuit. Each circuit round consists of 7 exercises. We'll do 3 rounds in total, alternating between upper and lower body movements. Number 1. Glute Bridge. This activates the glutes at the start of your workout, which are perhaps the most powerful muscles in the body. To begin, 1. Lie face up on the floor, knees bent 90 degrees, feet flat on the floor. 2. Squeeze your glutes and raise your hips to the ceiling. 3. Your shoulders and hips are the only parts of your body that remain on the ground. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower your hips without touching the ground. Do it 10 times. Number 2. Hand walks. This full body exercise stretches your hamstrings and calves while also opening up your ankles and lower back. It also helps to stabilize the shoulders. To begin, 1. Stand with your legs straight and your hands on the floor. 2. Walk your hands out. Keeping your legs straight, walk your feet back to your hands using short steps from your ankles. Do it 10 times. Number 3. Lunge elbow to instep. By integrating 2 effective moves into one, this challenges your entire core stability. To begin, 1. Start in a lunge position, leaving your left foot out. 2. Rest your right forearm on the ground and your left elbow on the inside of your left foot. Maintain the stretch for 2 seconds. 3. Place your left hand outside your foot and push your hips up, being sure to point your front toes high. 4. Get back to your feet and repeat with the opposite side. Do it 10 times. Number 4. Plank-to-Pushup. This challenges your entire core stability by combining 2 effective moves in one. To start, 1. Begin by doing a forearm plank. Push with your triceps, first placing your right hand on the ground, then your left, gradually rising to push-up position. 2. Return to the forearm plank by placing your right forearm down first, followed by your left. Do it 10 times. Number 5. 3-Way Push Up. By doing 3 sets of 10 push-ups in 3 different postures in quick succession, we are immediately increasing the intensity of this workout while working our chest and shoulders from 3 different angles. To begin, 1. Do 10 traditional push-ups, hands directly below the shoulders. 2. Do 10 diamond push-ups, index fingers and thumbs touching. 3. Do 10 wide grip push-ups, hands wider than the shoulders. Do 10 reps of each. Number 6. Straight leg lowering. This hamstring stretch also works the chest and torso muscles. To begin, 1. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides and your legs straight up above your hips. 2. Lower one leg slowly to just above the floor while keeping the other straight. Return to the starting point and repeat. 3. Keep your toes pointed toward your shins and your back flat on the floor. Do 10 reps per side. Number 7. Burpee. This full-body push-up-like exercise provides all of the benefits of push-ups, while also challenging your cardiovascular system and increasing the intensity of your workout, which is very crucial when you only have 15 minutes to work out. To begin, 1. From a standing position, squat, place your hands on the ground, and jump your feet out into a push-up position. 2. Perform a push-up and then jump your feet to your hands. 3. Then jump as high as you can, throwing your hands over your head. Do it 10 times. Tell us about your favorite one in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family for more interesting healthy tips. Subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.